Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Iman Afhamdi Mansur. My matrix number is 18867.
Hi, my name is Roman Hakim Saminuddin. My matric number is 188970.
Hello, my matrix number. Hello, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Abdul Halim. My matrix number is 188965.
Okay, so today we want to present about our subject is mechanic of machine, which is we want to present about the engine, motorcycle engine that we have designed in 3D CAD-CAM. Okay, so the objective of this assignment that we present is to redraw the engine, the motorcycle engine parts in 3D geometry using the CAD software. Okay, so and it was to make us improve our knowledge about the motorcycle engine or other engine that exist in this world. Okay, for the introduction, okay, we know that for the engine that we present, the motorcycle that we present is a 4-stroke engine. It uses the motorcycle, right? So its function is to convert the chemical energy to the mechanical energy. So it has power to move the motorcycle properly. Then we present about the part that we have drawn and okay. The first part that we have drawn is the piston. Okay, we know that piston is used to push the fuel to the spark plug, so the combustion can occur. So this is the parameter of design that we have made at the CATIA. Next. Okay, for the next part is the connecting rod. Okay, we know that connecting rod is used to connect the piston and the crankshaft. So it will the movement will become a reciprocating movement. So this is the parameter. Okay, then for the valve. Okay, for the valve is used. They have two valves in the 4-stroke engine, which is the input valve and the exhaust valve. Okay, input valve is used to make the fuel come into the chamber, and the exhaust valve is make the smoke go from the engine the chamber. Okay.
So the next one is crankshaft. Crankshaft is it's with the connecting rod. It's attached with connecting rod, which we convert reciprocating motion into rotary motion. You also have gear here, which will connect to the camshaft, which will rotate, and also will next one. This is camshaft where it will rotate and open and close the valve. So this is the picture, and this is the parameter also with the before. So the next one is crankcase. Crankcase is where we store the crankshaft and also a few part of the engine where we will protect it from external particle which will disturb the system. Also, it has lubricant and coolant in it, which will cool the engine and also provide a smoother engine movement. Alright.
So next, I will explain about the cylinder head. This is the cylinder head where the placement of the where the valve and also the spark plug is placed. It will also protect the valve and the spark plug. So this is the parameters. This is the cylinder block where the location of the piston is located, where it will also protect the piston from from the combustion. No, to prevent the combustion comes out and also protect the piston. This is the parameters. So this is the spark plug where the combustion it produces ignition of combustion, where the combustion happens to the piston. So this is the parameters of the spark plug.
Okay, so we continue with the improvement that we have done to the design of the parts. Okay, the first improvement is we improve the piston. Okay, the normal piston we make the top part is flat, but the improvement we make it curved. So it will increase the efficiency when it push the fuel to the spark plug. Okay. Next.
So the next improvement is on the cylinder head, where this is the angle of the hole. Below this, there's a hole of the spark plug. Where the angle of this hole, if it's this is the older one, that is the improved one. So when the angle of this hole is less, So it will provide direct combustion to the piston from the spark plug. Yeah, this is the explanation as you can see. So next experiment is on the spark plug, where the distance between these two, this is the older one, that's the improved one, where when the improved one, the length of the distance between that two will produce a more spark, a better spark, where if the distance is called electrode gap. If the distance is too small, it will cause of misfiring, cause of noisy idling and poor exhaust gas quality. But if it's too large also, it will also provide cause to misfiring. So the distance is not too large and not too low, not too small. So yeah, that's it.
Alright, for the conclusion, we are able to draw the engine using CAD CAM, which is CATIA. Then next one, we also understand how the engine works and how each part work together. Also, we happy to say that this project is successful. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.